Entering the world of crypto. What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading. It sounds complicated, right? Like something only tech geniuses in Silicon Valley do. But the truth is, it's becoming more and more accessible every day. Imagine a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell digital currencies, just like trading stocks or bonds. That's cryptocurrency trading in a nutshell. Instead of companies, you're investing in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. These currencies exist only online, secured by cryptography, which is like a super strong digital lock. The value of these currencies fluctuates based on supply and demand, just like any other market. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying low and selling high, hoping to make a profit from the price difference. It's a bit like riding a wave, with its ups and downs. But with some basic knowledge, you can learn to navigate this exciting new world. This guide will equip you with the basic knowledge to embark on your cryptocurrency trading journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So let's dive in. Setting sail. Choosing your crypto wallet. Before you start trading, you need a safe place to store your digital currency. This is where crypto wallets come in. Think of them as your digital piggy banks, but instead of coins, they hold your cryptocurrencies. There are two main types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are like online accounts, convenient for frequent trading but more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline devices like USB sticks, offering maximum security but less convenient for regular trading. Choosing the right wallet depends on your trading frequency and risk tolerance. If you plan on trading frequently, a hot wallet from a reputable provider is a good choice. But if you're holding on to your crypto for the long term, a cold wallet offers enhanced security. Remember, your wallet holds the keys to your digital assets, so choose wisely and prioritize security above all else. Charting your course. Selecting a trading platform. Now that you have a wallet, it's time to choose a platform to trade on. Cryptocurrency exchanges are like the stock exchanges of the digital world, connecting buyers and sellers. There are numerous platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like trading fees, security measures, user interface, and available cryptocurrencies. For beginners, it's often best to start with a user-friendly platform that offers a simple interface and educational resources. Look for platforms with strong security features such as two-factor authentication to protect your investments. Remember, choosing the right platform can make or break your trading experience, so take your time, do your research, and select one that aligns with your needs and preferences. Section 4. Dipping your toes. Starting with small investments. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly. This is why it's crucial, especially for beginners, to start with small investments. Think of it as testing the waters before diving headfirst. Instead of investing your life savings, begin with an amount you're comfortable losing. This approach allows you to gain experience, understand market dynamics, and learn from your mistakes without risking significant financial hardship. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can gradually increase your investment size. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency trading. Diversifying your investments is also crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Section 5. Navigating the waters. Understanding basic trading strategies. Cryptocurrency trading involves various strategies, each with its own risk and reward profile. For beginners, it's essential to grasp the basics before diving into complex approaches. One common strategy is day trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single day to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. This strategy requires close market monitoring, quick decision-making, and a high risk tolerance. Another approach is swing trading, holding cryptocurrencies for a few days or weeks to profit from medium-term price swings. This strategy requires less active monitoring than day trading but still involves significant risk. For those seeking a more passive approach, long-term investing involves holding cryptocurrencies for months or even years, riding out market volatility, and aiming for long-term growth. This strategy requires patience, research, and a belief in the underlying technology and potential of the chosen cryptocurrencies. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to crypto trading. The best strategy for you depends on your risk appetite, investment goals, and time commitment. Section 6. Weathering the storm: managing risks in crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading, while potentially lucrative, is inherently risky. Understanding and managing these risks is crucial for success and avoiding significant losses. One primary risk is market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods, leading to substantial gains or losses. It's essential to set realistic expectations, avoid emotional decision-making, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Security risks are another concern. With the rise in cryptocurrency popularity, hackers and scammers are constantly devising new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. Using reputable exchanges, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing your cryptocurrencies securely in wallets is paramount. Regulation is another evolving aspect of the crypto world. Governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and changes in regulations can significantly impact the market. Staying informed about regulatory developments and adapting your trading strategies accordingly is essential. Remember, managing risk is an ongoing process in crypto trading. By understanding the inherent risks, taking appropriate precautions, and staying informed, you can navigate the market more safely and increase your chances of success. Section 7. Smooth sailing ahead: key takeaways and future exploration. Congratulations! You've completed this beginner's guide to mastering crypto trading. You now have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency trading is, how to set up a wallet, choose a trading platform, start with small investments, understand basic trading strategies, and manage risks. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and constantly evolving. Continue learning, exploring, and refining your trading strategies. Stay updated on market trends, new technologies, and regulatory changes. As you delve deeper into the world of crypto trading, remember that knowledge is your most powerful asset. By continuously learning, adapting, and making informed decisions, you can navigate this exciting market and potentially reap its rewards. Start small, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of crypto trading awaits.